Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask a user to give a grade, and then our program will check the grade if the student passed or failed with remarks using visualbasic.net. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, supporters, and most importantly to my avid subscribers in my channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I would like to shout out my friend Tom, Sir Emil, Marshmallow, Ma'am Rubilin, and Sir Daven. If you want to be shout out in my channel, just leave your name in the comment section of this video and then put the word shout out. So let's begin. I'm using Microsoft Basic, Visual Basic.net 2005 Express Edition. So we have here a form, and then the title is Grade Checker with Remarks in vb.net or Visual Basic.net. I have here a label, give your name, a text box, and then 3 buttons, namely check. This button will determine whether the grade of the student given is pass or failed with remarks. Clear, it will clear the text box, and then set focus, and then quit, it will quit the program. So let us go first with the first button, the check button. So we have here dim grade as integer, grade equals val, text box 1.text will convert. If grade greater than or equals to 75, then message back grade remarks passed if it is true, and then the grade is greater than or equals to 75. If it is false or failed, it will display the grade and then the remarks failed. And then we close our if-else statement. Now let us proceed with the clear button. In the clear button, we have 2 lines of codes. The first, text box 1.text equals to quotation to clear, and then text box 1.focus, it will focus the cursor. And then for the end, we have only 1 line of code, simply end. Now let us run our program so that we can see the result. Okay, our program is running right now. Let's say the grade is 89, and then when we click the check button, it will display this message box, grade 89, remarks failed. Click OK. When we click the clear button, it will allow us to clear the text box and give us another chance to give another grade. Let's say we have 74. Check button, grade 74, remarks failed. Click OK. Let's click again the clear button. Let's say we have 98. When we click the check button, we have here grade 98, remarks passed. Click OK. Clear. Let's say we have 64. Click the check button, grade 64, remarks failed, then clear. And then when I click the quit button, our program will be terminated. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video on a grade checker with remarks in vb.net or visualbasic.net. I hope that you have learned in this tutorial video. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source codes in my 2 websites. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. Your support is highly appreciated. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.